how much should you actually spend on a pressure washer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Westinghouse EPX 3500. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 caught my eye with its powerful 2500 max PSI and the cool anti-tipping design. Priced at $169, it promises to tackle tough cleaning jobs while being easy to handle. If you want a reliable pressure washer for your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 2500 max PSI and a water flow of 1.76 GPM, it can blast away dirt and grime from your driveway or patio without breaking a sweat. The onboard soap tank lets you add cleaning solutions easily, which is perfect for those tougher stains. Plus, with its lightweight design at just 19 pounds and a 25-foot hose, you won't struggle to maneuver it around your yard. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though. If you're careful and don't expect it to last a lifetime, it's not a deal breaker. Many users have found it effective for quick cleanups and even bigger jobs. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large-sized yard or need to clean vehicles regularly. Skip this one if you're looking for something super commercial grade or heavy duty. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if that build quality concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Westinghouse EPX 3050. The Westinghouse EPX 3050, coming in at a budget-friendly $109. With its 2100 max PSI, this one piqued my interest for those smaller cleaning tasks around the house. If you want a compact and effective pressure washer, this is worth a serious look. This model delivers 2100 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, which is still powerful enough for cleaning decks, sidewalks, and cars. It's user-friendly with a solid construction and easy maneuverability thanks to its lightweight design at just 17 pounds and durable, never-flat wheels. The included foam cannon is a nice touch for extra cleaning power. Now, some users found the hose a bit short at 20 feet, which can be limiting for larger spaces. But here's the thing, if you're mainly cleaning smaller areas or your car, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a great choice for casual use. This is perfect for you if you need something easy to store and transport, especially for quick cleaning jobs. Skip this one if you have a larger area to cover regularly, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a bit more power.
Product number 3, Westinghouse EPX 3100V. The Westinghouse EPX 3100V offers a solid balance between power and portability. With its built-in carry handle and 2100 max PSI, this is a great option if you need something that's easy to transport. If you want convenience alongside performance, this is worth a serious look. This pressure washer provides the same 2100 max PSI and 1.76 GPM as the previous model, which is great for tackling dirt on your patio or driveway. The detachable foam cannon lets you apply cleaning solutions with ease, making those heavy-duty jobs feel less intimidating. Plus, the compact design means it won't take up much space when you store it. Some users mentioned that it could be a bit noisy during operation, which might be annoying if you're sensitive to sound. But here's the thing, most pressure washers have some noise, and the performance makes it worth it for many users. This is perfect for you if you want something portable and efficient for everyday home tasks. Skip this if noise is a major concern for you, but at this price point, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you're looking for a bit more power, let's check out the next one. Product number 4, Westinghouse EPX 3100. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 priced at $139. This model boasts a slightly higher 2300 max PSI, making it a fantastic choice for tougher jobs. If you need a pressure washer that can handle more demanding tasks, this is worth a serious look. Delivering 2300 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, it's perfect for cleaning decks, fences, and patios with ease. The 25-foot hose length gives you a bit more reach, which is handy for larger areas. It also features the onboard soap tank for those stubborn stains. Plus, the anti-tipping design means it stays upright while you work. However, some users pointed out that the wheels could be better for rough terrain, which can make it a bit challenging to move around on uneven surfaces. But let's be real,
If you mostly use it on flat surfaces, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need something reliable for regular cleaning tasks at home. Skip this if you have a very rugged yard, but for the price and performance, it delivers great value. Now, if you really want something that can tackle the toughest jobs, let's move on to the next powerhouse. Product number 5, Westinghouse WPX 3000E. We have the Westinghouse WPX 3000E, the heavyweight champion at $279. With a max PSI of 3000, this is for those who really need serious cleaning power. If you want the best performance for heavy-duty jobs, this is worth a serious look. With 3000 max PSI and a water flow of 1.76 GPM, you can clean everything from concrete driveways to stubborn grime on patios. The 25-foot hose and 5 quick connect nozzles offer versatility for any task. Plus, the rugged steel frame and big wheels make it easier to maneuver across different surfaces. Now, some folks found it a bit heavier at 36.8 pounds, making it less portable than others. But honestly, if you're looking for serious power, this weight is a trade-off that you might be willing to accept. This is perfect for you if you have extensive outdoor cleaning needs or maintain a business. Skip this if you only need light cleaning, but for the performance, it's a solid investment. So to wrap it up, we've seen a range of options from compact models for quick jobs to powerful units for heavy-duty cleaning. Each of these pressure washers has its strengths, and it really comes down to what your specific needs are.
To recap, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is great for general use. The EPX 3050 is budget-friendly. The EPX 3100V offers convenience. The EPX 3100 adds a bit more power. And the WPX 3000E is perfect for serious heavy-duty tasks. Whatever your cleaning needs, there's a pressure washer here for you.